Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Amazon secrets revealed. Today we're taking a look at the Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2, a portable power solution built for outdoor adventures, off-grid living, RV trips, and even home emergencies. This bundle includes a 1070 watt-hour LiFePO4 battery power station paired with a 200-watt solar panel, delivering reliable, clean energy wherever you go. So what's the hype about? On the pro side, customers love the 1-hour fast charging capability when plugged into AC, making it one of the quickest charging power stations in its class. The 1500W AC output and 100W USB-C port provide plenty of power for laptops, appliances, and camping gear. The LiFePO4 battery is another highlight, offering longer life cycles and more reliability than standard lithium-ion batteries. And with the 200-watt solar panel, users say it's a true off-grid solution. On the con side, some reviewers mention that while the 1070 watt-hour capacity is solid, it may not be enough for long-term off-grid use if powering larger appliances like fridges or AC units. Others note that the system, while portable, is still a bit heavy if you're moving it around often. A few buyers also wish that the solar charging speed was a little faster, especially on cloudy days. Overall on Amazon, the Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2 holds a strong 4.6-star rating, with the majority of customers praising its reliability, fast charging, and ease of use.
If you'd like to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description so you can see the latest deals.
That's it for today's breakdown of the Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Amazon secrets revealed.